ex-boyfriend when I was in Cebu. We poke, and then I poke back, and then he poked back again, and then I poke back again. We just keep poking each other. What are you doing up there? Hey, Hubs. Good morning, Hubs. Good morning. Love you.
Love you too, hon.
Good morning.
I don't like a camera in my face. Good morning.
It's already sweating, guys. I was enjoying having the mango. Yeah, I ate two mangoes. It's really good, especially the kind of green, but it's ripe already. It's green outside. It's really tasty. And today I'm gonna make. Oh, I don't want to forget. I don't even do a packing anymore for now. My husband received a call yesterday, last night, that he has to work Monday, so that means he can't drop me off in there, but he said he will drop me Sunday night to, you know, to drop me to the other house, because Monday somebody should be in the house to receive the delivery from Home Depot, the washer and dryer thing. And yeah, so that's why I'm gonna be there. Monkey, 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 little monkey, my little monkey, my little. You look at this monkey I have right here, my little monkey, 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 monkey. Misty, what do you want? Do you want some bones? Do you want some bonesy bones? 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 Do you want treaties? Do you want treaties now? Who wants some treaties? Who wants some treats? Who wants some treaties? Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday and I'm in the other house. Breakfast. I have this habit now, guys, that I don't like. Anyway, I have this habit that I don't like, that it just came up to me. I don't understand why it become my habit like this. The grass is fine, thank God. Oh, we put the frame over there. I don't know if I told you. Yeah, we put that frame. I don't know if that's belong over there. I want to put bigger because it's kinda small for that area there. But yeah, so that's my plan, guys. I'm gonna have my breakfast, water the plant, and wait the guy to come over here. And I have my mango. I finished the one like this, the 6 pieces. It's so good, so I just keep eating it. And also, guys, this morning I had to stop doing this. It happened to me before, and then I'm able to stop it. Like, I just ignore it and stop until I really don't do it anymore. But it's back since last week. I don't know, maybe because of the cigarette, I don't know. But yeah, so this morning, 2:30 in the morning, I woke up, and then when I get up, I hear this beeping noise. The alarm, it's beeping again. Hi guys, I'm just keep listening this love song music. Just keep listening, and I think that's one of my problems too, that I can't just, because music, it makes me feel keep going. But if every time I keep hearing this, how do you call that? Love song music, that it reminds me like the old 80s or 90s. It makes me more lonely, and sometimes it feels nice to be lonely, sometimes not all the freaking time, like she gives you a heart attack, a heart problem. Anyway guys, I really read your comments about the video about very emotional. I really do appreciate all of you guys that comments and be there, and it's just, I think it's because it's normal when you're being emotional for no reason, just get hurt for no reason. You think too much, loneliness, and I think it's part of my monthly thing, but I don't think so, because sometimes I feel like that even though I don't have a menstruation. And it's kind of really sad because I miss my family lately also. And yesterday, I have to post that. Yesterday also, I was like 2 days in a row, the other day and yesterday, I've been listening the music Firehouse. If you don't know Firehouse, Firehouse is a band in 1989 or 1990. Yeah, they're the band, and I really, really love them. I don't have any crush or any love of any singers or any band. I don't have anything of that. But the Firehouse, I kind of love them so much. Like I love them because I just love them because when I was in the Philippines, me and my family, my brother, my sister, we all love Firehouse music, and every morning that's our banding together, like listening music loud. Mostly my brother always turn it on, and then I keep listening to it and I get used to it. And because I was in Cebu, and every time I go back to my parents' house, we always listen to this Firehouse or a Christian music, and that's what we do every morning. And we're having coffee. It's just like, that's why I miss my family, and it's really hard when you're really far from your family and loved ones. And it's not easy because it's you can't just like take a plane and an hour later you get there. No, it's like takes like forever to visit that. I just have to dance. Lead it out, girl. Lead it out. I love dancing, guys, and singing. Last night was so funny because my sister-in-law stopped by the house to pick me up, and my husband is wasn't home at the time yet, but I know he's on the way home from work, and I keep calling him, "Han, please drive fast," because I want to see him. I really want to see him before I go because I can't see him till next, this coming Thursday. So that's few days, and it's really sad. So before we go out, before we going, we went out to the driveway, get in the car, and then I saw my husband pulling to the driveway, and I went out and jumped in. And even though he is pain in the neck, guys, he is just like nice to be with. While I'm editing the video, somebody, not I know somebody, my ex-boyfriend, when I was in Cebu, like I'm editing, and then suddenly my phone, uh this, poke, he poke, Facebook, there is poked, like you poke, you like something like poke your, something like that, POKED, poke you. And he keep poking, and then no, he poke, and then I poke back, and then he poke back again, and then I poke back again. We just keep poking each other. And then it's so funny. So I said, "What the heck? It's 5 times already we've been poking each other." So I, I sent him a message. "Are you having fun?" I said, "Are you having fun?" I don't talk to him for a long time. We're not friends on Facebook. But I was thinking after talking to him, I said, "Do I have to tell my husband? Do I have to open to him, even though it's nothing really going on? It's just, message by the taker. That's it. Do I have to tell him?" And then I decided I'm contemplating to tell him or not. But in the end of the day, when he called me, I decided, it's just suddenly, it's just like, "Oh, why I have to hide this? I have to tell him that this, that." So I told him, "Han, like this story." I told him the whole story, and he said, "Steve, the guy that I did marry the first time when I get here," said, "No, it's just like the guy in Cebu." So I told him, and he's okay with it. He's not like, mad or anything. It's just makes him happy that I am honest to him. And so yeah, guys, I will see you later. Oh my god, I'm having my rice. I had my rice. This is how I eat. Oh, look how much I eat, guys. Every time I have dailies, I eat a lot of rice. And we all know that everybody eat a lot of rice when there's dried fish, Filipino, right? The guy just left, and my washer and dryer are here. They're here, guys. We get the Samsung one. Hold on. Yeah, so this is what we got. I don't know if you can tell. It's a Samsung. My husband picked this one because of this one. I don't really iron his stuff, and I hope it will work really. So it's right here finally, but it's really big because look, when we get out here from here, look, it's blocking this way here. Of course, it's big. So yeah, at least that's fine. So this is gonna be our laundry. I hope we get the white one, but they don't have a white with this thing. So that's why we get this color. If we get the white one, we don't get the Samsung, we get the Maytag, which is bigger. And this is fine. I was filming. Doing my legs, threading. My husband called, so I have to redo it. So yeah, I closed the window that no one can hear me because it's so quiet here. Like when the neighbor is talking, I can hear them. Anyway, guys, I will call it a night, and I will see you in my next vlog. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you all so much for all the comments, the nice comments, very nice comments, guys. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for for always cheering me up. Like, oh my god, guys, you don't have any idea. I really do appreciate all the comments that you did in my video, the a very emotional one. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. God bless everyone. Bye bye.